안녕하세요, 여러분. Camilla here. Today, I'll be answering the question, how do you say to own? In Korean, the word 가지다 is used to express ownership or the action of having or possessing something. For example, 그는 가게를 하나 가지고 있다. Meaning, he owns a shop. You can also use 소유하다. For example, 나는 집 한 채를 소유하고 있다. Meaning, I own a house. If you want to talk about the owner of something, you can use the word 주인. For example, 집주인 means house owner or landlord. What do you want to own for yourself soon? Let us know in the comments below. See you again!